To stake your AVAX token, go to this website app.bc.com. Here you can stake your AVAX token and earn up to 3.9% APY. Step 2. Connect Wallet. Click on Connect Wallet and then select WalletConnect. From the list, select Cypherock. You'll be redirected to CySync App. Choose the Avalanche account you wish to make the transaction with. Your wallet has been successfully connected. Step 3. Enter the amount of AVAX token you wish to stake. Click on Deposit and you will have to confirm the transaction from the CySync app. Step 4. Click Continue. Select the checkmark option. Blind signing? OK. Verify derivation path? OK. Match the recipient address shown on the device with the one shown on the CySync app. Verify the amount. This is the transaction fees. Enter the PIN if you have set up one. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards onto the X1 device. Your transaction was successful. And the staking is also complete. Let's go and check in the Explorer. As you can see, the transaction was a success. Now you have AVAX token which is being staked and you will earn passive income from this. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Cypherock channel, and you can see a lot of more videos which we have done on various airdrops and staking in this playlist. Thank you for watching. Until next time, signing off.